morning. Today we are going to see K-map for three variable equation. We are going to solve an equation using K-map. Okay. First let us see three variable equation. After that four variable. Okay. Now already we have seen the structure of the K-map. Okay. And what is the use of the K-map also? I have given introduction in last classes. That means K-map is a technical tool. Okay. Some technique to simplify some equation. We can apply Boolean equations, Boolean algebra for this, but if you simplify using K-map, then it is within few steps we can simplify, because here only few terms are there. If it is more terms, 15 terms, 16 terms are there, then it is difficult to combine the terms and then it is difficult to simplify. More steps are involved. In K-map, very simple steps are involved. Okay, let us go through the solution. Now this is an equation. It is a three variable equation. They have given ABC here. Okay, y is a function, ABC they have given. If they have not given, you have to see these variables. Okay. Now in all the cases, three variables are there. Whether it is a variable or its complement, it is considered as a three variable equation only. Okay. And this is another form. Okay. This is a K-map structure already I have given in the last class, but to understand I have given again. Okay. Here A bar, B bar, C, A bar, B bar, C bar, and A bar, B, C bar. That means in the first column, these are all called cells. These are all called cells. Now if you multiply this and this, then this term will be here. Okay, A bar, B bar, C bar. Then this is the cell for this term, A bar, B bar, C bar. And A bar, B, C bar, this is the cell. And this one A bar, B bar, C, this is the cell. And why I have given these numbers? These numbers belong to decimal numbers. Okay, for particular min term. If you refer the last class, min term or K-map structure, then it is explained in the table. Okay, as per the table, I have filled these. That means these are the decimal number for particular cells. If M0 means min term for 0 decimal, M2 means min term for this, 7 means min term for this. You have to fill this, or simply they will give this type of numbers 0, 2, 5, 7 like this. Okay. Now I am going to solve this equation by normal method, and then I am going to apply K-map. Then only you can easily understand what is the use of this K-map. Now this is A bar, B bar, C bar. Here A bar, C bar, B is there. Therefore we have to find out which are all common terms. Here if you take the common terms, then A bar, C bar and B bar plus B. Okay, plus here AC is there, then B bar plus B. Okay, now B bar plus B is equal to 1. Okay, as per Boolean algebra, B bar plus B equal to 1. Therefore you apply here, then A bar, C bar, this is 1 and this also 1. Therefore A bar, B, C bar plus AC. Okay, it can be written by X NOR gate also. That is not required now. Okay, therefore this is the simplified equation for this. For this you have to search for the common terms, combine. Here 4 terms, therefore it is easy. If it is more term, difficult. Okay, and you have to know this expression also. Otherwise it is not possible to simplify. Now in the K-map you have to substitute. How I have written, this is for 0. Okay, now 0 is there. Now you have to do substitute 1. If the particular min term is given, you substitute 1. And here A bar, B, C bar, A bar, B, C bar. That means substitute 1. These numbers remove, not required. This is for helping us. Okay. And A, B bar, C. A, B bar, C. That means this one. Okay. That means here this is 2, this is 5 and this is 7. 1. Okay. In exam these are all not necessary, but to remind you, to remember, you can fill this. Okay. Otherwise these are all not necessary. Now 4 terms are given, therefore you fill 4 ones here. Okay, 4 midterms and 4 ones you filled, and the remaining you put 0. Remaining terms you put 0. Now our aim is to minimize. Now what is the use of this? How to implement this? You go for a grouping. Here you made these two as a one term. That means you combined grouping. Okay. Now here how to group is, there is one rule called pair. If two ones are like this, then we can combine. Or if two ones are like this, it is a row and this is a column. Okay, if two ones are in the row, then it is possible to simplify. Or if two ones are like this, then it is possible to simplify. Now these ones are in this row, therefore you combine these ones. Okay, now how to reduce? That means pair I told you. Now how to reduce? Now your equation is y equals, this is a row, two ones are in the row, therefore you travel like this. Okay, you see from this angle. Now here in these two terms, a bar is constant and b is changing. Okay, that means this one belongs to these three or these two, and this one belongs to these two. Okay, now for this a bar is common, therefore you write a bar. Okay, and b bar is changing to b, therefore it is varying, therefore we should not take it, we have to remove it, eliminate. And c bar is common to both, therefore no need to write this. Okay, no need to write this. And here now a pair can eliminate, or no, this is c bar and c bar you have to write. Okay, c bar you have to write. If it is a common, you have to write. If it is varying, you should eliminate. C bar is common, therefore you have to write. Now here this pair. Okay, here also first you see in this, it is a row only. It is a row only. Therefore in this row, which is common? A is common and B is changing to B bar. Therefore you write variable A. And for these two ones, C is common. Therefore you have to write C. Okay. As I told you, a pair can eliminate one variable. A pair can eliminate one variable. Okay. Here it is a 3 variable K-map. Therefore it eliminates one variable. Even if it is a 4 variable, it will eliminate one. If it is a 3 variable, it eliminates one. Therefore you are getting 2 variable. In a 4 variable, it will eliminate one. Then you will get a 3 variable here. Okay. Now this is the equation, and see the same result you are getting. Here you have to write all this and you have to understand this, how to apply, then you will get a result. Here simply you substitute these ones and you have to go for a grouping and you have to do this. Okay, this is using pair. Now let us see, if 4 ones are there, then how we will reduce that. Okay, I will erase this. I will change in this equation only. I will change in this equation only. Okay, then only you can easily understand. In university exam, definitely they will ask one K-map question. Okay, how to reduce this, and they will ask you to design the circuit also. Okay, now I will eliminate A bar, B bar, C bar. I use this and I will use this also. Okay, and I am going to use this. Okay, that means A bar, B, C, A bar, B, A bar, B, C. I am going to use this cell and I am going to use this cell. Okay, A bar, B, C. Okay, now I have changed the equation. Now I have to fill this. Okay, I have to fill this. Now here this is there, this is there, this is there, this is there. Okay, the 4 terms are there. Now I have filled all the 4 ones. Now if 2 ones are there, we can form a pair. If 4 ones are there, we have to go for a quad. Okay, this is one grouping. Quad means if 4 ones are in this form, okay, that is all the 4 ones are in the row, then we can go for a quad. If all the 4 ones are in this column, then also we can go for a quad. or if 4 ones are in the square structure, then we can go for a quad. Here 4 ones are in the square form, therefore we can go for a quad. Then how to reduce? Okay, a quad can eliminate two variables. A quad can eliminate, okay, eliminate two variables. Okay, now it is a three variable, that means eliminate two variable means you will get only one variable. Therefore your y equals to, your y equals, you have to again travel in this, okay, you have to travel in this angle, okay, in this direction. Here a bar same, and b bar is changing to b, b bar is changing to b, therefore if it is changing means you have to remove it, if it is same means you have to write, therefore you have to write a bar. And here this square is having row as well as column. Therefore, if you travel in this column, whether upward or downward, both are same. Okay. C bar is changing to C. If it is changing, you have to remove it or eliminate. Okay. Then you have to remove C bar C. Therefore, your final result is only A bar. That means you had 4 terms and your final result is only one variable. A quad eliminated two variables and you have only one variable. This is the final result. Okay. In this class we have seen three variable. In next class let us see four variable equation. It is very simple. You go for some other equation and you reduce on your own. Okay. Thank you. If you have any doubt, please put a comment. Then in next class I will clarify the doubts. Thank you.